Hi all, I'm Smokerman and today I'm gonna present you the last Miui 10 Android Pie based for Redmi Note 5 Pro in this case. Okay, it's the wired, it's called wired. You have now a user manual here on the options with many things like the gallery. It's like a user guide for beginners. You have also, it's here, okay. You have also on new features, on notifications and status bar, you can choose Miui or Android style for notifications, okay. You can choose it. You have on display, you have the new dark mode, as you see. I like it better, okay. And the in-call screen, as you see, it makes the bottom color as the lock screen. In this case it's orange. You have the dual clock here, okay. You can set dual clock here, dual clock there, okay. So overall it's a great ROM. Great. In the photos you can do it like this. I'm gonna show you. If you pinch with 2 fingers, you see, and pinch again, okay, pinch in, it's gonna divide you the photos by months. You can pinch out and you're gonna see a big thumbnails, okay. Just let me show you again. Do it like this and gives you all these in small thumbnails, okay. I like it a lot. It's a great feature. This ROM is getting better and better. Okay, the battery also, you have a new feature on the battery here. I'm gonna show you in battery, in performance. You have this new feature, use adaptive battery. I can't say if it's good or not at this point because it's my first charge, so I don't know, but overall this is a great update, okay. In this case for Redmi Note 5, it's the official global developer ROM, okay. It's the official one. I'm gonna let you focus this a bit, okay. So it's Android Pie based. I'm liking it a lot. In the camera I don't see any new thing, okay. I don't see any. You have still full HD at 60 frames, so nothing new. Overall it's a great update, okay. I hope you like the ROM, you like the video, hit the like button. I'm gonna test a few ROMs now, one for week. The next ROM I'm gonna test is Oxygen OS, ported from OnePlus 6T Android Pie based, okay. So stay tuned and I see you soon.